LEED for Building Operations and Maintenance, O+M, sustaining performance in existing buildings. What is LEED O+M? Unlike LEED systems that guide new construction or interior fit-outs, O+M focuses on the long-term sustainability and efficiency of existing buildings, ensuring that performance is maintained or even improved over time. This system is ideal for office buildings, schools and universities, hospitals, retail centers, hotels, public facilities, residential high-rises, mixed-use developments. LEED O+M is applicable regardless of whether a building was originally designed as green. It empowers owners, facility managers, and operations teams to implement best practices in ongoing building maintenance and management. Key focus areas in LEED O+M. LEED O+M includes several credit categories that reflect the operations and maintenance side of building performance. Location and transportation, LT. Sustainable sites, SS. Water efficiency, WE. Energy and atmosphere, EA. Materials and resources, MR. Indoor environmental quality, IEQ. Innovation, IN. Regional priority, RP. Architects can support LEED O+M by integrating systems that allow for smart monitoring and metering, choosing durable, low-maintenance, and sustainable materials, designing flexible spaces that adapt to future needs, consulting on renovations or retrofits that align with green operations, collaborating with facility teams to ensure design intent aligns with operational performance.